Hey guys, Jen here. So the first thing I have in the morning is a cup of coffee. Super important. So I add a little bit of Nescafe to make it strong, but sometimes I just boil water and 3 spoons of Nescafe and almond milk. So if I have time, then I prepare a pre-workout meal. More so if I'm doing an intense workout or going to the gym. So all you need is to dry your oats a little bit on a frying pan. You'll need some strawberries, half a banana or fuller banana, almond milk, or you can use any milk you want, peanut butter. Use almond milk or coconut milk if you're trying to maintain your weight and low calories. I'm going to add a little bit of yogurt, vanilla, and then cinnamon to make it taste really good. Or you can use honey instead of vanilla. And yeah, you have your pre-workout meal. It does not bloat you, but it gives you the energy you need to go through your workout. A pre-workout meal is really important. You need a protein shake or a light protein meal. This helps repair the torn muscle through your exercises. So I'm going to do a spinach protein shake, or you can have the strawberry shake, the alternative. As for lunch, I'm going to have brown rice, arroz integro en español. Hola mis amigos españoles, hi! I love brown rice because it's healthy carbs, it helps maintain your weight, and it tastes really good. Then I'm going to cook my sweet potatoes in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. So now let's go to the kitchen and I show you how I prepare my ground chicken my way. I prefer ground chicken to grilled chicken. High protein, exactly what you need to grow your muscles, and yeah. I'm using a little bit of olive oil, not too much because I'm trying to maintain that weight, okay? Then I'm going to put my onions, then I'll put my garlic. Once the onions are becoming a little bit brown, you live in the moment, carried away from who you are. Because I'm using little oil, then I need to keep stirring so that my ingredients don't burn. Have you ever tried ground chicken or ground turkey? Let me know. Oh, this is your first time, and how do you prepare it? So So guys, I keep getting the same question about what you eat or what do I have to eat to grow my muscles, leg muscles, glute muscles, abs, and all you need is high protein meal on a daily basis. Meals that you can easily afford, like legumes, and that beans, lentils, chickpeas, eggs, because when you work out you tear your muscles and they need to be repaired and built. So if you consume protein, then the process is faster, it's easier and quicker to grow muscles.
Dreams and confusion. Oh yeah, I keep falling faster, straight for disaster.
Brown rice is really easy to cook. You can boil it in water or in a rice cooker. And you can also just boil your potato if you don't have an oven or you don't want to use the oven. Let me know when you try this meal and how it goes. It's one of my favorite dishes. I love brown rice, I love ground chicken, sweet potato, and a little bit of spinach. And for dinner, I'm going to have a salad, and trust me, this salad is really good. So I'm just going to need a cucumber, tomato, chickpeas, carrot, onion, avocado, tuna, olive. You can add any other ingredients of your choice, but chickpeas are full of protein, tuna is high in protein, we have magnesium and vitamins, so this is a really good dinner. Salad is ideal for dinner if you're trying to maintain your weight and keep yourself or lose some weight. And if you want to gain weight, then your topping, add mayonnaise, add olive oil or other oils, then you'll be adding more calories to your salad. And if you're trying to gain weight, then your toppings should matter. Then add mayonnaise, add olive oil, all those toppings that are high in calories. Then I'm going to dress it with half a lemon, mustard and cumin, and a little bit of salt, and voila. This salad is super delicious. If you are the one person that hates salads, please try this salad and you let me know. You won't even feel it like it's a salad. I don't know, I think it's the chickpeas and tuna. It's just delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Muchísimas gracias, mi amores. And I'll see you in my next video.